The Chelsea King tragedy has many people now wanting to change our sex offender laws. Antonio Castelan joins us live in the newsroom with this story. Antonio?
Jim, there's been talk of a Chelsea King law. Already some local legislators are discussing a bill that would put some sex offenders in prison for a very long time.
I think that there's predators that live right next door and you don't even know it. And I think that's a terrible statement on society. And I think we need to change that.
Chelsea King's father, Brent, made his feelings very clear Thursday on the state of sex offender laws. His wife, Kelly, also put out a message that things don't need to remain the same.
Don't give up hope. Don't feel that this stuff is just going to keep happening and happening.
There are 8 districts in San Diego represented in the state. Already 75th District Assemblyman Nathan Fletcher is talking to law enforcement, the district attorney's office, and sex crime victims groups to get an idea on what changes to the sex offender laws are needed. He says people can email their local assemblyman to get their ideas out on the topic.
I think an initial is just some tougher prison sentences for sexually violent predators who target our children.
Some defense attorneys say these stricter laws might be too hard to hold up. Paul Finks believes it could put a drain on our already limited law enforcement.
There is a very strong American principle that we sentence people for acts they have done, not acts we think they may do in the future.
Out at the Rancho Bernardo Community Center, where Chelsea's BMW was found with her wallet and cell phone inside, the people demand change.
They need to be punished. They need to be put in jail and kept there, not let out. I'd like to see longer jail sentences and definitely some stricter terms.
In Rancho Bernardo, Antonio Castelan, San Diego 6 News.
Well, in the wake of the Chelsea King murder, a local self-defense instructor is giving his time to teach basic techniques for thwarting an attacker.
As he's coming, I want you to attack, knee strike, and then elbow to the face, and then push him away from you.
Sal Convento is the founder and chief instructor for the U.S. Karate Academy in Point Loma. He says he was recently contacted by the San Diego Unified School District to provide self-defense seminars to students. He says it only takes an hour to learn some basic techniques that could save your life.
Doesn't hurt you to know that you can defend yourself, and you can see that all it takes is one elbow, one knee, one strike to the eyes to make yourself from not being a victim.
And Sal says self-defense also begins before you're attacked by following some common sense rules, such as bringing a friend or a dog along if you're going to be in a remote area. He also says a $10 can of mace or a $3 whistle can go a long way to scaring off an attacker. He's offering a defense seminar this Saturday at 10:30. To find out more, log on to san-diego6.com and click on Hot Topics. And stay with San Diego 6 News for continuing coverage of the Chelsea King case. As we get new developments, we, of course, will bring them to you. San Diego 6 in the morning starts at 5 a.m., or you can visit our website, san-diego6.com.